Giovanna, importantly, I need to ask you, how are you feeling?
I'm good. Feeling great. I'm cooking my own food, so I'm a lot more calm, I think.
You said that in the last round and looked about as calm as a man about to be eaten by a shark.
Yeah, but that was different. We had so little time. There was a lot to do.
What are you making for us?
I'm making an almond ravioli made with almond pasta, and it's filled with chocolate and almonds and a bit of orange zest and an almond sauce.
Wow.
And then I'm serving it with confit orange and confit orange peel and an almond brittle.
And the inspiration?
I love making pasta. I haven't made it yet. This challenge didn't really lend itself to that, so I sort of shoehorned it in.
Giovanna?
Yes.
Stay calm.
I will.
Carry on.
I shall. Thanks, Greg. Just putting sugar in pasta, it does work. You do that with pastry, you can make it sweet or savoury, so there shouldn't be any reason why it shouldn't work with pasta. It's a bit of a risk.
I just hope the almond ravioli is not chewy. The centre is lovely and oozing. I hope there's going to be enough flavour in the whole dish, and it's not just going to be of damp almonds.
10 minutes left of this quarter-final. Just 10 minutes left. Just 4 minutes, please.
Lindsay, you've got to get stuff on plates, mate, otherwise you're going to not serve a thing.
Yep.
Lindsay, come on. Lindsay, put that on a plate. It's time. It's time. Time's up. Stop.
Music teacher Giovanna has made dessert pasta, almond ravioli filled with ricotta, chocolate, orange and almonds, served with confit orange, a crushed almond brittle and almond sauce.
I think it's absolutely wonderful, that combination that you've got of chocolate and orange with a really good taste of almond is a really winning one. I think it's subtle, I think it's sophisticated. I really, really enjoyed it.
Thank you very much.
You've celebrated the almond, especially in that brittle. The filling inside the ravioli with the chocolate and the ricotta is smooth and wonderful. I've got to admire your skill, I've got to admire your invention, and I've got to admire your use of the almond. Yeah, I like it a lot.
We can't always agree. Tracy really likes it, John really likes it. In this case, I really like it as well. I think it's a wonderful, wonderful dessert.